first piece of bite, broke my whole line.
Oh, really?
They can go in them big ones.
Got a guy over here fishing.
That was my first real bite of the day.
You mind if I record?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey.
No problem. No problem.
All right.
No problem.
I got a little YouTube channel.
Hopefully
Anyway.
we get something big enough to record. That'd be great.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool. I'll send you the link.
Yes, sir. And my wife keep telling me to do it. I be fishing all the time.
Yeah.
Be so busy.
I got this guy's got his remote, but he has a cable that's froze up, so
Okay.
now I gotta unzip tie it all and down there, and I got it loose and everything. I just gotta figure out how long it is. I got a couple of used ones. I'm thinking maybe I get them going.
Right.
Well, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so that's what I'm doing, guys. I got these right here, and one of these, I think it's this one. Yeah, this one's just seized up. You know, put you somewhere you can see it. See, it won't move. And the other one, its light's pretty good. Oh, real good, actually. Problem is, he's got all these zip ties along here, so just need to take them off, and I don't know, he's got it going behind there. Hopefully it'll be alright. We'll just pull it through. It goes down, it's over here, so I'll take the bad one out and then I can measure it, and if I gotta buy him some, or if I have one that's the same length, I don't know. But that's what I'm doing today. Nice day. You can feel it's fall. Fall's gonna be coming. I mean, it's here, really. Looks like I can put this up here. Yeah, but it's coming, so anyway, it works pretty good. I mean, I wired this all up yesterday. Of course, I gotta kind of doctor it back up, but yeah, and he was also wanting to like get this mounted. Thing is, I can figure out how he did it, because may have to drill out and do some anchor bolts. Looks like they this is the thing. This is gonna be a real joy, like what to do here, because you know, almost need a little spacer so you could take a piece of wood, maybe you could attach the wood, I don't know, because you can't, how are you going to get to the back side of that? So I think you got to drill it through, and maybe use some anchor bolts. It's about the only thing you really can do. Alright, well, I need cotter pins, and the cable I have, it's the same length, so I'm getting fixed up that way. Like, I'll sell this one $25-30. I'll figure it out, but a new one's going to be $100, or it can be more, depends on your length. Anyway, we're going to move over. Well, I don't know if we can, because we can't get on the other dock. Isn't that what you were saying? You can't get on P. Well, ain't that just... Well, I might as well just take a day off and go fishing. Anyway, have a good one. Alright. I turned around and grabbed my camera. Bear with me. Bear. Anyway, went out there. It never fails. Like, you go out there and there's some little thing that you need, and forgotten that you need that. So then you gotta go back. So I'm gonna have to go find some cotter pins to finish up the remote, and then figure out, like, I don't know, get some anchors to put in that, some anchor bolts. That's what I'm thinking, but what size, you know, like, I think that's probably, if I remember right, that's a 1/4 20 bolt. And that kit has spacers, so that's good. But there's no way to access the back side of that fiberglass. I don't know. May really need like a little piece of wood or something to mount onto. Like, I don't know, 1/2 inch is all you need. And I give you a little this way. I don't know, we'll see. First thing I'm gonna have to do is get some cotter pins so I can finish that up and get that attached to the motor, but really can't do anything because there's two, well, there's one of those little plastic retainer clip deals for the Spark Advance lever, and anyway, his is bad, so even if I could hook it all up, it wouldn't work because eventually that would just pop out. So I'm kind of at a standstill because I got all kinds of parts and stuff on order, you know, and I can't do anything. I mean, I do have one little thing I can finish up. I just need to go fishing. But by the time I hook up and take it out there, then I only have a few hours. I don't know what to do. So I guess I'll run down here and get some cotter pins at least. Try to make something of the day, I guess. Anyway. Man, this intersection up here the other day, like, people aren't even stopping at it, you know, like, what's it gonna take? A light? I think they're gonna have to put a light here. It's just ridiculous. People don't even want to stop. It's just a 4-way stop, see? He's going that way. I guess I'll stop in here and see if I can get some cotter pins. And I got some cotter pins, but they're not going to be the right size. It's going to be slightly too big. So I'm going to go over to maybe Home Depot and see if maybe I can find some anchors. And then by chance, maybe they got some cotter pens. They're real small. I remember where I bought a whole bunch of them. I don't know if I bought a kit or what well, I don't know what the deal is, but we'll figure something out. So anyway, I guess now we're off to, I guess we can do Lowe's and Home Depot. Hell, they had some cotter pins in there. I got an assortment bag for $4. Anyway, I'll use them. I'll go through them. I'm sure there's one in there that, yeah, there is. There's one in there too that'll fit. But now I'm gonna go back to my house. I think I got some anchors. I was looking at the anchors in there, and thinking about this. I think I've got some. If not, I want to look at the ones that I have because they were really good ones, and that would work real easy. And I'd go ahead and get that thing installed. Just piddle paddling around. We'll get it done. Alright, I just went to Home Depot, found some anchors, anchor screws, and now I'm stuck in Nashville. 4 o'clock. That's not 4 o'clock. It's 3:30. Wednesday. Man, I don't even know why I'm going this way. So, I don't know. That's my update. I don't generally go here, but I want to see if they got any keto pizza dough. See what they got. I don't know. I'm hungry for pizza. If you're diabetic, you can't make regular pizza dough. And all the ones I've tried, they kind of suck. I mean, I've done them with different stuff, man. You know, like almond flour, and I try to put yeast in it. Whoa, man, that's awful close over there. I gotta back up to be careful what I'm doing here. There, that gives them enough room. No, I've done oat flour, different kinds of flour. I thought I'd stop in here and see if maybe they have something I haven't tried. I don't know. You know, it's like one of these regular Whole Foods type places. Everything's... Alright, I'm back on the Champion this morning. He doesn't have the right spacer kit for this guy. So what we need to do is, see, he doesn't have the right spacers in here. I mean, it does like that, alright? So we're gonna take this apart, and I got a spacer kit because it's a Sea Star. I don't know which model, but here's the kit. This is for larger horsepower engine. I think over, I don't know, I'm gonna say 70. But lock nut assembly, it's brass. It's like, you know, anyway, cylinder service kit. HP 6033 is the number. So you can see it's like old stock because March 14th of 2024. No, that wasn't too long ago. Anyway, so I need to put that on. The first thing I gotta do, you know, I got the cables disconnected because I'm gonna put new cables in, and we're gonna have to go through here and just unbolt everything. And you know, I got my bag over here in the truck, so we don't have to go back and forth. But it doesn't matter because now I'm gonna still have to go back over there. Oh, also I'm gonna have to find the little pieces that go over here. You know, worst case, what you can do is get a little piece of some fuel hose or something, put it on there, cut it off, and then go inside and find some silicone and silicone one end, and then you got your cover. So if you don't know where to get the special order caps, which, you know, you can just do that. Anyway, there's my tip of the day. And I'll tell you what, the sun is kind of warm right now, so I'm sort of second guessing this. Although I'm gonna get under here and I'm gonna clean this crap up. He's got, you know, we got leaves that just blow. It's only been sitting here, well, it's been here a little bit, but about a week, I guess. Anyway, yeah, I'll get some electricity pulled over here, and then I'll bring over a vacuum cleaner, clean it up. I may have to switch out shirts. I got a black shirt on, go to a white shirt, and just don't film and get her done. Oh, this spacer kit, what this is, you have to have these spacers in here. That's like right in here. And anyway, it tells you how to do it. It's got the instructions. The instrucciones. And on the other side, it's just, you know, like he doesn't have the nut all the way down. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get this all set up for him, I guess. And we'll be back.